Hey y'all, this morning on the farm I gotta grind some cow feed to feed my steers that we're gonna butcher. My hay tractor that we're using here today is a PowerShift 3020, not the 4020 you've seen in previous videos. This is a 3020, a little bit smaller tractor. This is what we use to move all our hay, but I got to crank it up this morning because my creep feeder has flipped over in the field and we got to use these forks to get it back over. This is my 4020. It is what you call an old style 4020, which means the air breather is above the hood. And the 3020 we have here is a new style, means the air breather is below the hood and the muffler is flat. The old style 3020s and 4020s have a round muffler. The terms new style and old style are relative because 1968 is considered old style and 1969 is considered new style. That wasn't as easy as anticipated, but it is back on the ground so I can hook to my truck now and get going on grinding some feed. All right, I got the 4430 out here hooked to the feed mill. I brought some clover hay in and I've got my cottonseed here on the trailer. It's pretty low, so what's left over from feeding this winter, about this area here. We're gonna start pouring cottonseed and clover hay into the mill, and then I'm gonna fill it the rest of the way up with grain sorghum. The cottonseed's a high protein, the clover hay gives it the fiber, and the grain sorghum is the bulk of our feed. The bulk of it's gonna be grain sorghum, man. This is just a little stuff I put with it to pep it up, make it a little bit better. The first batch mixed up. Now it takes 2 batches to fill this creek field. But this is what it looks like. That is finely ground grain sorghum, cottonseed, and clover hay. So you get a lot of fiber from the clover hay. We get a high protein from our cottonseed, and our grain sorghum, our milo or millet, is our main bulk of our feed. is actual just straight cottonseed. This comes from the cotton gins around here. All the cotton gins, as they gin the cotton, they remove the seed, and the cotton itself is marketed, but the seed is a byproduct. And a lot of the cotton gins have contracts for that seed, but they also sell that seed to cattle farmers to use as a feed product. So cottonseed available at most cotton gins around here as a cattle feed. Well, that's it for grinding feed today. We got all we're going to grind done today. Me and Mercer, let's just shut it down out here. But before we do, I'm going to show you all those green beans. They are up and coming along. No. These are the Blue Lake bush beans right here. The Roma 2s are not quite up. They're just below the surface, but the Blue Lakes are already poked through, and the butter beans have also poked through pretty good. So they're up and coming. They won't be too long. It's about a 50-day crop, so we'll be harvesting them very soon. I look forward to seeing all y'all on the farm the day we harvest them, so y'all can watch them get picked, watch them fall through the snapper, and take them to your house to eat that night. I thank all y'all for watching. We'll see you next time.